Here we've got Realme 6 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So let me provide you with a few of them. Just open the phone dialer at first, and now on your keypad you can enter the first code. And it is *pound, *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And as you can see, now we are in diagnostic mode. Here you can check events and also status, so you've got all the details included here. If you would like to activate advanced view, just tap on the more icon and then select advanced view. Just mark it, and here you've got it. So as you can see, this is how you can quickly and easily activate diagnostic mode and then check events and also status. So that will be all for this one. Let's go to the second code, and it is *pound, *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And as you can see here, you've got the calendar info. So if your Google account is connected with this Realme, you'll be able to check all upcoming events, all celebrations included in your calendar in one place. So just enter this code and then be provided with all upcoming events. You will not forget about any of them then. And that will be all for this one. And another code, the last one that I would like to show you today, is actually a pretty short one. It's *pound, 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your Realme, which are email numbers. They are assigned to both SIM cards that you have, so it's the first email and also the second one. Smoothly enter this code and then you'll be provided with email numbers assigned to your Realme. So this is it. This is how you can enter secret codes to your Realme 6 Pro. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.